Kaunti 14 nicio ikoretwo igumiirwo ni gututhuka kwa murimu wa kuharwo gatema guku bururi-ini ihinda-ini ria mieri na mihituku. Andu 78 ni mekiritwo mukonde gukorwo makuite kumana na murimu uyu, nayo namba ya andu aria manyititwo niguo igikinyiria andu 1,186. Kaunti iria ciandikithitie gukorwo igumiirwo ni murimu wa kuharwo gatema ni hamwe na Nairobi, Kiambu, Nakuru, Uasin Gishu, Kajiado, Murang'a, Machakos, Garissa, Meru, Wajir, Tana River, Kitui, undu umwe na kaunti ya Homa Bay. Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ikiuga ni ikoretwo ikigathika mitaratara ya kurigiriria gutherema makiria kwa murimu uyu.
5 counties have managed to be able to bring the outbreak to control, total control, but we still have 9 counties which have active cases of cholera, and we are working very closely with the county governments, various partners to be able to bring the outbreak to a control.
Kuringana na Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri, gututhuka kwa murimu uyu gucungireirio ni ng'aragu undu umwe na wagi wa mai matheru icigo-ini nyingi cia bururi, na muingi ndukoretwo na wiki otiga kuhuthira mai maria makoretwo makioneka.
And because water is life or death, so people would rather take the risk of even using contaminated water compared to the total lack of access to water. We are working with the counties to ensure that we supply chlorine tablets. We are working again to ensure that we send messages using the community health volunteers.
Ona gukiri uguo, ministry ni amukirite uteithio wa ndawa na indo ingi cia kuhurana na maruru ma murimu uyu iria ni cia muigana wa ciringi milioni 120. Uteithio ria uheanitwo ni thirikari ya Jeremani unyitaniri na ruhonge rwa UNICEF na igukorwo igiteithiriria kaunti iria igumiirwo ni thina uyu.
It is required. We know that Garissa, we know Nairobi, and some of the refugee camps in Dadaab are largely congested populations area, and they are concentrated population areas.
Hamwe noguo thirikari cia kaunti ni cioretio kunyitanira na ministry hari gutheria mai na njira ya kuhuthira ndawa muthemba wa chlorine iria guteithiriria kuhurana na thina uyu.
I'm happy this morning that we are flagging off this, and I'm happy also to hear from UNICEF that in the next 1 week or so we shall be receiving the cholera vaccine also to be sent over to the ASAL areas.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.